Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to bend text in Picsart using your mobile device. To bend text in Picsart is super easy. First of all, launch open your Picsart application on your phone and then make sure that you tap on the plus icon at the bottom, which will take you to your recent projects and to your device's camera roll. Now simply select a picture that you want to use for edit. Now once you have the picture or the background on your canvas, go ahead and add a text layer. Tap on text at the bottom and then enter your desired text in the text box and then tap on the tick mark at the top right. You will then have the text on your canvas. Simply go ahead and resize the text, place it on a desired area within the frame, and then while selecting the text layer, go to the bottom menu and look for the bend option at the bottom. In order to bend the text, you must be a Picsart Plus subscriber first, and after you have it, you can then tap the bend option and then move the little slider at the bottom to bend your text inwards or outwards. And with this, you will be able to adjust the curve level for your bend. Adjust until you're happy with the bend, and you can also resize or reposition the text as needed. And after you are done, tap on apply at the top right corner, and that way you will be able to bend your text beautifully in your own design. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.